Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making the actual shortcut so you can open Device Manager quickly. Right-click the desktop and choose New Then Shortcut. This creates a practical access point. When prompted for the item location, type DevMount, MSC, and click Next. Name it Device Manager so it's instantly recognizable. You can add a space or prefix if you keep many tools. Once done, make sure the icon appears on your desktop and move it into a folder or the taskbar if you prefer quicker, persistent access. Now refine how the shortcut runs and looks so it behaves reliably. Right-click the new shortcut and choose Properties. Under Shortcut, click Advanced to enable Run as Administrator if you need elevated device changes. This prevents permission errors later. Next, change the icon to make it easier to spot. Click Change Icon and browse to %windir%system32/shell32. DLL for recognizable system icons. Once done, click OK and apply. Because persistent settings, finish by placing the shortcut where you'll use it most and verifying it works. You can pin the shortcut to start or the taskbar by right-clicking and selecting Pin. This provides one-click access. Double-click the shortcut to test. Device Manager should open immediately. If it does not, check whether group policy or local permissions block DevMount, MSC, and confirm the shortcut target is exactly DevMount, MSC. If elevation fails, right-click and Run as Administrator to see permission error messages that guide your next fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.